to set up your Acorns account. Welcome to Acorns. If you've downloaded the app but haven't finished setting up your account, don't worry. Getting started is quick, easy, and secure. Here's how to do it. First, open the Acorns app and tap Get Started. You'll create your account by entering your email address and a secure password. Next, you'll tell us some basic information like your name, date of birth, address, and social security number to verify your identity. Next, you'll link a bank account in your name. Then, you'll choose your Acorns subscription. You can start with Bronze, which includes money tools to get you started. Move up to Silver for more saving and investing tools, or go all the way up to Gold, which includes our full suite of saving, investing, and learning tools for you and your family. Each plan is designed to fit your financial goals, and you can change it at any time as your needs grow. After you've chosen your plan, we'll start by setting up your first investment account, either for every day or for retirement. You can always add the other later, and we'll walk you through how to do it whenever you're ready. Next, Acorns will ask you a few quick questions about your income, goals, and risk comfort level. This helps personalize your investment portfolio, built by experts and diversified to help you reach your long-term goals. Finally, we'll help you make your first investment. We suggest starting with $25 per week. Assuming an 8% annual return, it could grow to over $350,000 in 40 years. Proof that small steps can lead to big growth. And that's all there is to it. In just a few minutes, you'll be ready to invest automatically, save smarter, and give your money a chance to grow. Let's grow your oak.